So, circuit made of one a light bulb, battery, and a switch and wires. So in this case, in all cases actually, the battery will be 9 volts, meaning that the voltage or potential difference is 9 volts, while the light bulb will have 10 ohms, meaning that resistance will be 10 ohms in each case. Now let's see what will happen in the circuit when we turn on the switch. Observe the brightness of the light bulb. Now the second thing, I will use this device. It is called ammeter and is used to measuring current in the circuit. Everywhere that we will put ammeter in the circuit, the amount will be the same, meaning in this case is 0.90. I'll just show you the different parts of the circuit to see that it will always be the same. Now, in second case, for example, if you have two light bulbs, each of them has 10 ohms, and one battery and one switch, observe the brightness of the light bulbs. If you notice, the brightness is different regarding when you have two light bulbs and when you have one connected to one battery. In this case, you can notice now what will happen with the current. Again, current will be the same in each part of the circuit, just in this case it will not be 0.90 amps, it will be 0.45 because we have two light bulbs connected to the circuit. Now, let's see what will happen if we add more batteries to the circuit. Here we have two batteries and one light bulb. Observe the brightness. This is the brightness of the light bulb with two batteries, and this is the brightness of the light bulb with only one battery. Let's see how much will be the current in the circuit. If you notice, now it's 1.80 amps because we have two batteries connected to the circuit. What will happen if you have two light bulbs and two batteries in the circuit? You know that when we had two light bulbs and one battery, that current was 0.45 amps. What do you think? How much will be current in the circuit where you have two light bulbs and two batteries? So in this case, it will be 0.90 amps, wherever you put in the circuit. Meaning, if you're adding even more batteries, it will increase current or amps in the circuit. If you add more light bulbs, meaning you're increasing resistance, then you will lower the current in the circuit.